Adzuna Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing Adzuna, a job search engine that connects job seekers with thousands of job listings across various industries. As always, I've included links to Adzuna in the description, so make sure to check those out for easy access. Adzuna stands out as a powerful global job search engine that aggregates job listings from different job boards, company websites, and recruitment agencies. It has a broad coverage of industries, including technology, healthcare, finance, and education, to name a few. The platform operates in several countries, including the UK, the US, and Australia, offering an international pool of job opportunities. One of the standout features of Adzuna is its search functionality. The platform allows you to filter jobs by various criteria, including salary, location, job type, and even company. You can also search for specific keywords or job titles to find exactly what you're looking for. The salary search filter is particularly useful, as it helps you focus on positions that meet your compensation expectations, which sets Adzuna apart from other job platforms. Another feature that makes Adzuna appealing is its data-driven insights. The platform offers salary data, job market trends, and company reviews, helping you make informed decisions during your job search. These insights are valuable if you're looking to benchmark salaries or understand the demand for certain job types in your region. Adzuna also offers job seekers the ability to set job alerts, so you never miss a relevant opportunity. The interface is relatively straightforward, with a clean and simple layout that makes it easy to navigate through job listings and apply directly to jobs without leaving the site. However, one potential downside is that, like many job aggregators, not all listings are up to date. Some jobs may be outdated or no longer available, requiring a bit of extra effort to find the most relevant and current listings. Overall, Adzuna is a great job platform if you're looking for a broad selection of job opportunities. Its combination of job filtering, salary insights, and international reach makes it an attractive tool for both entry-level and experienced professionals. If you're looking to cast a wide net in your job search or want to see salary data, Adzuna is a solid choice. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check out the links to Adzuna in the description for more details.